Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Pip Box. This is the cruelty-free beauty subscription box. So if you want to see what's inside in the Pip Box June 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing the Pip Box June 2021. So this is their new box, which I prefer more. So if you're new to the Pip Box, this is a beauty subscription box. It costs £25.99 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will get worth over £55 of products inside, which is not bad considering this is a cruelty vegan beauty box. So but yes, let's unbox this one. I'm really excited for this month. As I said in my lineup, I still remember that I was really excited for this box. So let's open it. It looks like this, and it says share your beauty discoveries, a Pip Box. And then we have the leaflet, and this month theme is the sustainable beauty. Here we go. And then inside we have the description, the price of all the items inside, and the total value for this month is worth more than £58. And it says, welcome to your June edit. Our theme this month is sustainable beauty. That means your beauty treats are kind to your skin, body, and our planet. With recyclable packaging by conscious brand. Enjoy. Then, at the back, it says, so next month theme is the summer prep. And will be dispatched from the 9th of July, 2021. So, yes. Let's see each product now. So the first one I have in here, and this is from Codex. I tried few products from this brand, the face scrub, the cleanser one, and they are really good lovelies. And this one is the BIA Hydrating Skin Superfood. Yes, and this is 20 ml. So this one I'm not 100% sure if it's a full size or deluxe sample size. This product is retail for £14, and it says a treatment cream for face, hands, and body that hydrates, smooth, soften, and soothe, designed to have dry, flaky, or irritated skin. This is perfect for my skin type. As you can see, I'm peeling at the moment because I've been under the sun for a long time. I went to the beach, so I have really dry skin, so I'm peeling at the moment, if you can see it here. And let's see inside. Inside we have the product. Here it says a nourishing and moisturizing, a hydrating and nourishing treatment cream for face, hands, and body, made with our unique Bia Complex herbal formula. This cream helps treat dry, flaky, or irritated skin and leaves it silky and smooth. Can't wait to try this one. It's a cruelty-free brand and also a vegan. So yes, I will try this one, and I'll let you know on my empties. And then the next product we have here, and this is from SkinFed. I hope I pronounce it properly because it's SKN Fed, and this is the 100% natural organic foot balm peppermint with 50 ml shea butter, cacao butter, vitamin E. It's a must for me at the moment. I really have dry skin at the moment. I think my feet suffer most. Peppermint, it has that cooling effect, relaxing. So yes, I can't wait to try it. And it says, how will I help you? It's time to give your feet some love. I will nurture dry, crack, heal, and hard skin using a blend of shea butter and cacao butter that will leave your skin looking smooth and healthy. So yeah. And this one, it's retail for £7.95, and it says this cooling and refreshing formula will bring relief to your tired feet. high level of omega-3 fatty acid due to flaxseed oil will prevent dryness. Beneficial properties for shea butter and vitamin E will leave your skin soft and nourished. Yes, shea butter is really good for hydration. So yes, this is the second product. And the next product we have here, I know this is a full size, and this is from Lucky Cloud Hydrating Super Balm Sweet Orange and Cacao. And this one, it's rated for 17 pounds. And let's open it. Boom. Oh, smells really nice. Citrus, orangey smell. Love the smell. Yeah, it has a bit of hint of cacao inside. You can smell it. But it smells more orangey. And it feels like balm. You see? And it feels really, really soft. Very, very soft. And it says a super hydrating and restoring balm blended with calendula oil to help scarred, damaged, and irritated skin. A head-to-toe dry skin saver. This creamy multi-purpose balm hydrates, protects, and softens chapped, dry, and flaky skin. How to use. Massage onto any area of dry skin as required. Perfect hands, lips, feet, elbows, and more. Use sparingly on your face, targeting small areas of very dry skin where required. Definitely on my elbow. It's really dry at the moment, so yes, I will definitely use this product. And then the next product we have here, and this is from Zero Eye Cream, 100% natural, plant-based skincare, vegan, sustainable packaging. It has 25 ml. Here we go. And it says, our brand Zero is a truly natural skincare range from the UK. Plant-based with no artificial fragrance, synthetic preservatives, or nasty ingredients. Each product has been specially created with the best botanical ingredients to care for your skin. Designed to be ultra hydrating and nourishing, perfect for my skin type. The Zero plant-based skincare range is suitable for all skin type. It says, this beautifully scented eye cream by Zero is enriched with shea butter, renowned for its healing properties, and deeply nourishing coconut oil. These amazing all-natural ingredients help to deeply moisturize and hydrate the skin around your eyes. Dermatologically tested. So inside, this is a full size, definitely. It's really it's a massive product. And it's rated for £9.99, which is not bad. So yes, as I said before, I don't really mind receiving eye cream in my subscription boxes. I really love receiving eye cream in my subscription boxes because, as you know, eye cream, they are quite pricey. And I really love trying eye cream. And I use them a lot. Like, I'm trying the number 7 and I almost finish it. And I've been using like 1.5 months because I'm used them in the morning and at night. So yes, really glad that I received an eye cream here. And then the last product we have here, and this is from the Vintage Cosmetics. We received from this brand last month too, the eye gel one, eye mask gel, I think. Yeah, and that one I really enjoyed it. With this weather, when I have migraine, I use that one. I just put in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and then pop on my eyes, and it helps me a lot. Even the area, it helps the puffing it. So I really enjoyed that one. And this month we have the makeup removing cloth. I'm reusable, including 3 cloths. So not only one, but we have 3 cloths inside. In the Vintage Cosmetics, lovelies, the packaging, it's so cute, like so chic. I really like the packaging. When I do my nighttime routine, I usually use balm, a makeup remover balm, just pop all over my face and take it off with makeup cloth. And after I do it, lovelies, I feel like all my makeup, even the waterproof, are removed and I feel fresh. So yes, so inside we have this like leopard design. It's really good. So this one is for taking off your makeup, and then this side, it says here, use this side to exfoliate. So you have one side for exfoliate and one side to remove your makeup, which is not bad. And this one, it's a full size, and it's retail for £9.99, and here it says each single makeup removing cloth is in this classically quiet trio will remove every inch of makeup using only a splash of water. The specially formulated polyester is a dual-sided for both makeup remover and exfoliation, so you will always be fresh faced and squeaky clean. So yes, that's all, lovelies. Let's do a recap. So we have the makeup remover cloth. So we don't have only one, but we have 3 inside. And then we have the organic foot balm from Skin Feed, a peppermint one. Can't wait to try this one. I really feel my feet so tired at the moment and dry. So yes. And then we have the full size from Lucky Cloud Hydrating Super Balm. Hydrating, it's a must at the moment for me. With the transition from spring to summer, my skin is really dry at the moment. So yes, can't wait to try it, and it smells gorgeous. If you like orangey cacao smell, you will love this one. And then we have an eye cream from Zero. So yes, can't wait to try it. As I said, I don't really mind receiving eye cream. I do love receiving eye cream in my subscription boxes. And the last one we have is from Codex. This is the Hydrating Skin Superfood. So yes, that's all, lovelies. And what do I think of this box? As I said, I was really excited for this box because I will definitely use every single product in here. For me, this month is really a thumbs up. And you, lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box too? And are you excited to receive this box too? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I will put the link down below, and also all the info will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.